In this video, you'll learn how to create Zoho Business Mail step by step so you can get your professional email up and running with confidence. Let's start by heading over to the Zoho Mail sign-up page in your web browser. This is the main starting point where Zoho lets you choose what kind of email setup you want for your business. Make sure you're on the official Zoho Mail site, then look for the option to sign up or get started with mail. Once you're on the sign-up page, Zoho will ask you to choose your path. This is where you decide whether you want a paid plan or the free option, and the right choice depends on how you plan to use your email. If you're looking for more features or plan to use your email with apps like Outlook or other email clients on your computer or phone, you'll want to look at the paid plans. Here, you'll typically see options like the Mail Lite plan and the Mail Premium plan. Mail Lite is usually the most affordable, often around $1 per user per month, and is a good fit for small teams or individuals who want professional email with solid storage and basic business features. Mail Premium is designed for heavier users. This is especially useful if you need IMAP or POP access. Those are the protocols that allow you to connect Zoho Mail to desktop apps such as Outlook or to third-party mobile email apps, instead of only using the web interface or official apps. Mail Premium also tends to offer more storage, which is important if you expect to handle a lot of attachments like documents, images, or large files. On the other hand, if you're just getting started or you're testing things out and don't want to pay yet, there is a free plan option. To find it, scroll down the sign up page until you see the Forever Free plan. This plan usually offers around 5 gigabytes of storage per user, which can be perfectly fine for light or moderate email use. It's a great way to try Zoho Mail without any financial commitment and still get a custom business email experience. After you decide which plan works best for you, go ahead and select it. The next step is to create your account by filling in some basic details. Zoho will ask for your name, your mobile number, and a password. Enter your full name as you'd like it to appear on your account. This name can show up in places like your profile and sometimes in your email display settings. Next, type in your mobile number carefully. Zoho uses this for OTP verification, which stands for one-time password. This is an extra security step that helps confirm that you're a real person and that you have access to that phone number. You'll usually receive a text message with a code that you'll need to enter on the site to continue, so be sure your phone is nearby and has signal. Finally, create a strong password for your account. Choose something that's easy enough for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid using simple words or anything too obvious. A good password often combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your name, mobile number, and password, you're ready to proceed with verification and finalize your Zoho Business Mail setup. From here, Zoho will guide you through the remaining on-screen instructions to complete your business email configuration.